go to the facebook.com and select your Facebook page, and then how to check your page is eligible or not, just go to Insight section, and then you will see on the left side video section, so click on this. So here you will see if your page is eligible, it will show you your page is eligible for the monetization. So here as you can see, page is eligible. I will click on the get started. Don't worry about the country availability, just make the eligible country admin, then it will be available on your page. So here as you can see, I have 2 eligible pages, so I will deselect the second one. Deselect the second one and click on the next, and then set up account and click the next button. So here you have to choose the eligible country, so I am choosing here United Kingdom, and I will pick the address from the address generator website. Business type will be individual, so let's pick the address for the United Kingdom. I will write here the address generator for UK, and the first web you will get here. Just copy all the address, postal code, zip code, postal code, city, and paste on the setup payment option. Make sure you have to choose the legal name should be real. So in the last option, as you can see, you have to insert your ID card information and email. So I'm just copying email from here and just copy email from here and paste on the setup payment option. So in the last option, as you can see, tax ID, so I will use other government ID and then write the exact government issue ID card number and click on the next. So I think I entered a wrong number. Select your payment country, so I'm selecting my payment country from this option. Number, just copy the IBAN number and paste it here. Account holder name should be real. Don't make any wrong thing here, otherwise your page will not be monetized. Just click on the link button and it will show you preview. So let me check. So here you have to also enter the date of birth. So date of birth, here I am selecting the date of birth. Select the date and confirm. It will review the details. I changed my name and date of birth, and you can see if you wanna add admins for the payment information, then you can add from this option. Let me do for you, but I did not add anyone, so just click cancel. So here as you can see, page bank has been added. Now you will see submit application. It will review if you added your account in different pages, so it will review and maybe it could be rejected. So here you can see my page will be instantly approved for the in-stream monetization, and now as you can see my page has been approved for the monetization. It's the latest 2020 trick. You can add your own local bank account in your Facebook monetization. So if you want to change anything, so you can change and add admin for the access of payment here. From this option you can add to another or account setting. You can add the admin from this option. So I chosen the UK, so it will require for the tax information, but you don't need to add anything, and that's it. Thank you for your time. Just make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.